going to be summer very soon. And the first thing you should check is your patio furniture, because I'll bet those pillows have been outside all winter long. And the good thing is you don't have to replace all of them. Just get accent pillows. Brings color to the backyard. You can express your personality, whether it's more tailored with something black and white, blue, even the greens. Just a lot of fun back there. The covers zip on and off so you can wash them. And you're going to be inspired to have all your friends over to entertain more in your backyard. The Italians call it al fresco, in the fresh air. And there's nothing more fun in the summer than everybody coming over and you enjoying a great night with your friends.